Tayo naman po ay mag-accomplish ng Module 2, RA 6969 ng Self-Monitoring Report. Dito po tayo sa Module 2B, Hazardous Waste Generator. At mula po dito, we will provide information on the volume of hazardous waste generated in our facility. So meron po ditong hazardous waste number, hazardous waste class, hazardous waste nature, hazardous waste cataloging, remaining hazardous waste from previous report in metric ton, and hazardous waste generated for the quarter. So dito po sa hazardous waste number, we will select yun pong waste type na na-generate natin at nandoon naka-store sa ating hazardous waste storage facility. So for example, J201 or empty containers previously containing toxic substances. Ano ang hazardous waste nature nito? We can select from gas, liquid, sludge, solid. So ito po ay solid. And then dito sa catalog, we can select from toxic, corrosive, reactive, flammable. So we can select toxic. And then dito, for the first time submission ng report, dito muna tayo sa hazardous waste generated for the quarter. Kung first time submission ito, dito po sa remaining haz waste from previous report, pwede nating i-declare 0, ang unit ay metric ton. For the hazardous waste generated for the quarter in metric ton, kung meron tayong record or inventory nung hazardous waste J201, pwede nating i-indicate dito yung volume. So dito ang expression natin ay metric ton. Kung naka-kilogram ang ating record, i-convert muna natin yan sa metric ton. Pwede nating gawin yung ating conversion factor na 1,000 kilogram is equivalent to 1 ton. So for example, meron tayong 100 kilogram na J201, convert natin to metric ton, i-divide lang natin yung 100 kilogram with 1,000, then we have 0.1 metric ton. So for example also, itong hazardous waste na ito, J201, ay nahakot within the monitoring period. Dito po, for every hazardous waste, dapat meron pong table. Ito pong waste, storage, treatment, and disposal. So kung meron tayong isang hazardous waste na naka-store or na-treat o na-transport, na-treat, na-dispose, so meron tayo ditong ilalagay na table. So J201 has waste number, parehas po dito. And then has waste class, empty container, previously containing toxic substances. At yung volume na nahakot, let's say 0.1 metric ton. Naka-default na lagi yan na metric ton. And saan yung TSD location kung saan na-treat ang J201. And sa storage, kung ano ang pangalan ng storage facility or sa company storage facility. At yung method, containment using approved type container with proper label and symbol. Sino naman ang nag-transport? Ano ang kanyang ID number? At yung name ng nag-transport o ng transporter at yung date ng kanyang registration. Sa treater, sino naman ang nag-treat ng hazardous waste? Yung kanyang number and then yung method of treatment na makikita sa certificate of treatment at syempre yung date kung kailan na-treat yung hazardous waste. sa disposal kung saan na-dispose ang ating non-hazardous waste at ano yung pangalan ng disposal facility. Usually, yung treater, sila na din yung disposal facility. So, kung merong ganong setup, TSD. At yung method of disposal is landfill at kailan na-dispose yung hazardous waste. Panghuli sa Module 2 ay ang on-site self-inspection of storage area record. So, kailan nag-conduct ng inspection within the monitoring period at anong area ang in-inspect like hazardous waste storage area. And then, ano ang findings and observation? Kung wala, we can say none. We can type none. At corrective action taken, we can type none. So, this is Module 2 of the hazardous way of the self-monitoring report. Para ma-record po yan, isa-save page po ito. At huwag din kalimutang i-export or i-download yung module na to kasi pagdating ng module 6, dapat lahat ng modules ay na-download na at dahil ito ay ipapanotaryo. So, yun lamang at again, save page para ma-save yung mga information at tutuloy ka na ngayon sa paggawa ng Module 3 naman ng self-monitoring report. So, dyan muna tayo nagtatapos at if you want to know more, please subscribe to this channel. Please share this video. Please like this video. Thank you very much and God bless us all.